Alright, first day of PA's rifle season. I worked night shift last night and took a little nap, but getting ready to head out for the evening. I have my buck tag filled here in PA, so just taking the missus along out, so hopefully she can find one to shoot at tonight. So should be hopefully eventful, but yeah, got a little bit of a drive and then get her set up. I'm going to probably hunt my climber close to her as I can get, but without, you know, being in her way. Hopefully get some good video of her killing a good one tonight. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm sure all my alarms are off.
That's good. We don't want any phones ringing.
Another episode.
What? Phones ringing while you're in the woods? What's wrong with that?
Couldn't get it to turn off.
Little panic attack, huh?
I couldn't get it off. It just kept ringing. I'm ready.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's go see if we can find something to shoot at.
Let's do her.
Alright.
That looks cute, right?
Yes, dear. The pumpkin just looked great.
This is my color.
Yeah. Hopefully that's our killing tree tonight. Alright, Brandon's set up. Hopefully she can find that first PA buck this evening.
Don't film this. Oh my God.
Paige. PA buck.
First PA buck ever.
Think we should go find him.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Go ahead. He ran down that way. See him yet? There he is. Go get him.
First one. I love him.
It kind of happened pretty quick there. So you want to tell us?
Well, we heard a bunch of scuttling around, and it looked like two doe came down first, and then another little spike came down after that, and then this guy was following him, and he was kind of hobbling along, like I could tell he was picking up his one foot.
Yeah, you can.
His back left leg, it looks like
see.
I don't know if he broke it or so what happened to it, but he was carrying that, and he was coming down, and then I just saw this one side, so I shot him.
Paige's first PA buck.
And then I started shaking like crazy.
Uh-huh. But why?
Yeah.
It's taken us quite a few years to get to this point, hasn't it? You're having a pretty good year this year.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
South Carolina.
I don't think I can top this year.
South Carolina. Now you've only got a PA buck.
Oh my gosh, and he is good looking too.
This
He's wonky. I like it.
does this mean you're buying beers tonight? I like being on this end.
Oh. Go, babe, go. Poor guy. All right.
First PA buck loaded in the car.
Woo woo. All right.
Girl.